Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and I'm filming from home today to share with you some tips and tricks on how to care for your blonde hair. Now this is really going to be focusing on purple products because purple is really great for brightening any brassy tones that manifest in blonde hair. Now I know it may seem kind of basic, but first let's talk about what brassiness is. It's actually kind of like a yellowy tone or almost to the orange side of things, and it kind of dulls platinum or ultra blonde hair. So the solution to that is to introduce a color correcting filter into your routine. Think of like a purple shampoo, a purple mask, or even a purple styling product, which will help to neutralize those tones and give you the brightest blonde possible. So first up, any care routine is going to start with a wash. You want clean hair so that all of your treatment masks and products that you're going to put after can really do their best. To start, we have the MOROCCANOIL Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo. Now this is a gorgeous violet tone that is really going to nourish the hair. You can see there it's kind of like a little beautiful pop. Oh my god! You can see it's a gorgeous purple tone here. Ultraviolet, which is really great again for sort of neutralizing any ultra yellow tones or almost orange tones in the hair. Now, a lot of people ask me how long do I leave this in my hair, like since it is treating. So you definitely want to shampoo the hair for about 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. You want to make sure you're getting all of the product out of your hair before you move on to your next step. Now, in the next product, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a conditioning mask that also has a purple tone to it too. You wouldn't want to necessarily use these two products in the same routine. So you could alternate for your normal shampoo, which you already love for like conditioning and care for your hair, and then alternate between this guy here. So next up, when you have ultra platinum hair, typically you're getting some form of chemical enhancement. And you want to make sure that you're repairing any damage that happens during that process. So a really great nourishing mask that has a little bit of color care is a great thing to introduce into your routine. Now this is a gorgeous creamy formula that is going to drench locks with a color wash that helps to kind of again brighten brassy tones and eliminate them from the hair. Now I love the texture of this. You can see it's kind of like a whipped cream and it's so rich in emollients that I can even turn it upside down and it's not going to go anywhere. You can leave it in for up to 5 minutes and then you want to again rinse thoroughly. So make sure that you're getting all of the product out of the hair. You definitely don't want to use 2 color care products in the same routine, okay? That's a little bit of overly toning the hair. You might wind up with a little bit of a lavender sort of hint to the hair if you use too much of the purple product. So that's pretty much it for care. Now let's talk about maintenance and how you maintain that color throughout the week. You can definitely incorporate some kind of purple tones into your styling routine. Now, me personally, I have kind of like a quick style, and I have a style that I do when I have a little bit more time or my hair feels like it needs a little extra love. So let's talk about the quick style first. Now I have curly hair, which tends to be dry, and then on top of that, since it's chemically treated, it's double dry. So I want to make sure that I'm using a really rich leave-in conditioner. This is from AMIKA. It's the Supernova Blonde Purple Moisture and Shine Cream. Now I love that it calls to attention that it's moisture and shine, which is exactly what you want during the day. I want my hair to maintain hydration so it's soft and supple, and then it's got a beautiful shine and radiance that often gets dulled during the chemical treating process. So it kind of glosses up my hair. Think of it, I love to think of it like that. Almost like a lip gloss for your hair. There's a translucency to the product that just enhances your hair and gives it a lot of luster and life. I'm obsessed. So for this product, I definitely love to put it on damp hair, so kind of towel dried so that there's a little bit of movement, and then I kind of style it through my curl, tousle it with my fingers, and just sort of allow it to air dry. That's my quick process. I'm out the door. I want to, no fuss, right? Now, sometimes when I do need a little bit more volume, I love to hit it with a blow dryer, and so I want to make sure that I'm protecting the hair. There are times when I feel like my hair needs a little bit of lift, and I need to kind of hit it with a blow dryer and a diffuser. So this product is really great because I can use it to kind of protect the hair, but this next product is really designed to sort of enhance that heat dry process. So this is from KERASTASE, and it's the Blond Absolute Heat Protecting Serum. Now this is a beautiful product. Check out that packaging. Love it. It's a really gorgeous serum-like texture that you want to work into damp hair before heat styling. Now I think of the blow dry almost enhancing the effects of this product and giving it a beautiful shine and gloss, and really gives the hair almost like that healthy, repaired finish, which I really love. Really lightweight texture here, serum-like. This is also really great for those of you that have ultra fine hair and maybe don't want to weigh the hair down through the heat styling process, which I really love. Now there's also hyaluronic acid in here and edelweiss, which are really great for sort of hydrating the hair and boosting moisture. Another added benefit of the hyaluronic acid in this product is it's going to help to heal and repair damage from within and sort of smooth the cuticle so that it looks really glossy and shiny, and you're kind of basically building healthy hair from the inside out. It's a really awesome product. So this last product is definitely one of my tried and trues, and one that I've been using in my routine for quite some time. This is from IGK, and it's the Mixed Feelings Leave-In Toning Drops. Now these are gorgeous because you can work them into any styling product to give it that lavender hue. So if you're wanting to work with a paste, or you're using kind of like a cream, or maybe even another serum or a styling gloss that you like to apply to your hair, you can kind of instantly change that product into one of these purple products. Now I really love the little applicator drop. It's got just a little button here on the back of the product, and you literally can drop that right into any product. Again, we've got that purple toning hue, but it's got like a chameleon technology so that it mixes and melts into any formula seamlessly. Like honestly, I've tried it in so many different hairstyling products and it never fails to blend in so smooth and quickly. Like this is such a cool product. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found a product that was intriguing to you if you have blonde hair and you want to kind of amp your routine. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you're missing out on great content like this. And until next time, we'll see you later. Ciao for now. Paisley, go Paisley, go Paisley. Roll it back, go retro.